What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, well, you can read the title below, right? I'm going to teach you how to play Segne Mwen Vin Ado Will. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. All right, so guys, so that was the my version of playing it. So now let's get down to the nitty gritty. First thing off, we're gonna start on the A minor, right? The A minor here, gonna go down to the G, and then to the C major. So you can play here or extend it. As you see, I'm just playing double C on my left thumb here, or my left thumb, left pinky and thumb, and I'm adding the G, the 5 or the 5th of the chord, right here, and then on my right hand I'm playing E, G, C, right? This kind of fully extends it to a 2-octave chord rather than a 1-octave chord. I guess you can call it 3 octaves since 3 C's. I don't know, you call it what you will. So from again, A minor to G to C, F, G to A minor again to G to C, and then we're going to the F, G, and you can either go to the A minor again or go to the C. Whichever one works for you, that's perfectly fine. I have no preference. I do sort of go to the A a lot more often than the C, just because it's for me a little more pleasing. But again, let's go over it again. A minor, G to C. Going to the F, G to A minor. And then A minor again, G, then to C. Going to the F, G, C, or A minor, whichever one you like. One last time. Oh, actually, no, that was part 1 of the verse. This was part 2 of the verse as well. Has a slight difference at the end, and you'll see what I mean in a second here. So we're gonna do it again. Verse part 2, similarly to part 1. A minor, start off, to G, to C. Then we're going to F, to G, A minor again, to G, to C. But now we're going to the D minor, the 2, right? Back to C, and then to the G major, right? Some people even like to do the G first inversion, right? So instead of going to the 2, 1, G regular, right? We can go from the 2 or up here to C, and then they just drop this note for the left hand and then these 2 notes for the right hand. So they drop the C to the B, they drop in the right hand the C and the E to the B and the D to make that G first inversion chord, right? All right, and then go back to the regular G again. Just to be a little cheeky with it. But at that point, it kind of leads you into the chorus. Going back to the key of C, Segne Mwen Vin to G, right? And then a similar chord again, go back to D minor, and then go into A minor, to G, to F, to G again, back to C. Right? That's the chorus. It's honestly a little simpler than the verse, but we'll go over it again. Oh, sorry. Segne Mwen Vin to G, the D minor, the 2, to the A minor, G, to F, to G, back to C. All right. Now to play it in full, well, we'll play it in full first before I show you guys what I wanted to show you as far as something extra you can do. Something I've brought up in my other videos as well. Is a quick technique to make your playing sound a little more advanced. So let's play the whole thing from the top. F, G, A minor, or C, whichever one. To C, F, G, A minor. A minor, G, sorry. To C, the D minor, C, and to G. That's the verse, go into the chorus. Here we go. C, to G, to D minor, to A minor, to G, hold F, to the G, back to C. Again, C, go into G, to D minor, A minor, G, to F, to G again, back to C. That's finishing it off. Now, that little trick I wanted to show you was happening in the chorus. Segne Mwen Vin from that D minor to the A minor. What you can do is go from that A minor. As soon as you hit that A minor, you're going to go straight into a transition. Left hand is going to do A minor, or it's going to have A in the left hand, A flat or G sharp, A flat or G sharp, to G, to C. For those of you who watch my other videos, you might see where this is going. From our right hand, rather than playing the A minor, we're going to leave the E and C here in our right hand, but instead of the A with our thumb, we're going to play the G. And then what you want to do is take each of these 3 notes down a half step, just like how you did for the left hand. Down a half step twice. Hit the A minor here with the C second inversion here. That's what this is. C first, C regular, C first inversion, second inversion. We'll bring everything down a half a step. So this is going down here, this will go down here, this will go down here, this will go down here. So we have an A to A flat, G to G flat, C to B, E to E flat. And then, so you see on the scale chart here, we have, or the chord chart, we have A minor, or A flat minor 7. And then we're gonna bring it down again, half step. Left hand is A flat to G. Thumb on the right hand is G flat to F. Middle is B to B flat. Pinky is E flat to D. And then, as your left hand finger, whichever finger you want to choose, whatever it's pinky, ring, middle, index, whatever. After you hit the G, the next note is C. All you want to do in the right hand is take this thumb from the F to E. Right? Has a nice C9 sound, as you see on the chord chart there. So again, Mwen vini, presentem devant nous. right? Segne Mwen Vin I don't know the middle part to this song. Bum bum. Mwen vini po presenter devant nous. Right? So in application, we can play in time and everything. Here we go. One more time. C to G to D minor. Here we go. And playing the whole thing again. You follow along with the chord chart. You see in front of you here. Two. Segne. All right. And that is how you play Segne Mwen Vin. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.